If you've passed through a turnstile or ridden one of the roller coasters at Hershey Park, chances are you have had contact with a red line control product. In this week's Made in PA, Fox 43's Michael Gorsigner looks behind the company that is producing electronics right here in central Pennsylvania.
Controlling the devices that control electronics across the world. For the past 40 years, Red Lion Controls in York County making over 2,000 industrial electronics, powering the biggest of businesses.
There are thousands and thousands of different places that use these products.
From human-machine interfaces or HMIs to panel meters, Red Lion Controls does it all. The company getting its start in small electronic displays. Fast forward 4 decades, and now touchscreen is the name of the game.
The company started initially making sensors, making small devices for measuring the rate at which a shaft or a motor was turning, but soon got into making small displays.
The circuitry starting with blank cassettes, highly accurate machines piecing the boards together tiny piece by tiny piece. After the building process, high-speed, intensely accurate cameras checking each cassette to make sure everything is perfect.
It's about letting people connect to their processors or to their machines, bring that data in so they can see what's going on, and then make changes to how their processors are operating.
Nearly 200 workers in York County making needed changes by hand. But before shipping, Red Lion Controls making sure their parts could stand up to the harshest of conditions. A testing lab putting the parts through the ringer to make sure the quality is up to par.
The factory runs very well. It gives us a great deal of flexibility. We can manufacture products within 2 to 3 days of getting the order and have them out to the customer.
Of course, the customer is the #1 focus. Red Lion building over 900,000 units a year right here in the U.S. with no plans of changing that anytime soon.
Low-cost manufacturing doesn't have a zip code. The U.S. can be a low-cost location if you do it properly. We see the future fairly bright for the York location.
And Red Lion Controls is growing, recently opening a $1.2 million expansion in York County while buying 2 other companies, including one in Mobile, Alabama.